Hello and welcome to our channel Collaborative Learning. Today we are going to discuss some important questions about the computer. I encourage all of you mention your score in the comment sections. So let us start. Question number 1. What does CPU stand for? The answer for this question is Central Processing Unit. Which of the following is an output device? Among keyboard, printer, scanner and mouse, which one is output device? The answer for this question is B part, printer. Question number 3. What is the function of the ALU in a computer system? The basic function of ALU is perform arithmetic and logic operations. Question number 4. Which of these is a primary memory? Answer is RAM. RAM is a primary memory. What does GUI stand for? The answer for question number 5 is B part, graphical user interface. Question number 6. What is an example of system software? Among Microsoft Word, Google Chrome, Windows OS, Adobe Photoshop. Windows OS is an operating system. Rest all of our application softwares. We have made clear demarcation what are system softwares and application softwares. You can go and watch our lecture on this. Question number 7. Which of the following is not an operating system? Clearly, Excel is not an operating system, it is an application software. Question number 8. The internet is a collection of what? Networks. Question number 9. Which key is used to delete the character to the left of the cursor in most text editors? Backspace. A device that connects computer in a network is called as router. Question number 11. In Paint, which tool is used to draw freehand lines? Pencil tool. Question number 12. What is the maximum canvas size in Microsoft Paint? Answer is third part, 3000 to 3000 pixels. Question number 13. Which option allows you to change the color in Paint? Color 1 and color 2. Question number 14. In Paint, which tool is used to remove a portion of the image? Eraser tool. Question number 15. What file format can you save a painting in using Paint? JPG, PNG and BMP. We can save painting in all of these formats in Paint software. Question number 16. What is the default background color in a new Paint file? It is white. Question number 17. In Paint, the undo command is accessed through which shortcut key? Actually, it is asked for the shortcut key for the undo in the paint. It is Ctrl plus Z. Question number 18. Which paint feature allows you to draw perfect shapes like squares and circles? Shape tool. Question number 19. How can you change the size of the brush in paint? We can adjust in the brushes in the menu. Question number 20. What is the shortcut key to save a file in paint? Ctrl plus S. What is the default file extension for a Word document? .docx. Question number 22. Which feature in Word is used to check spelling and grammar? Spelling and grammar checker. Question number 23. In Word, which tab contains the option to insert a table? Insert. 24. Which shortcut key is used to copy text in Microsoft Word? Again, here I have a reminder for you. We have make a detailed video on shortcut keys in basic computer and certain applications like PowerPoint, Microsoft and Excel. You can visit our channel and watch all those videos also. So we can return on the question number 24. What shortcut key is used to copy text in Microsoft Word? Answer is C part, Ctrl plus C. Question number 25. Which of these options can you apply in Word to align text to the right side? Right align. Which feature of Microsoft Word automatically correct typing errors as you type? Autocorrect. Question number 27. Which key is used to insert a new page in Microsoft Word? Answer is B part, Ctrl plus Enter. Question number 28. What is the function of track changes feature in Word? Record all edits made to the document. Actually, it is like keeping the history of the Word document. Question number 29. How can you quickly change the font size in Word? Use the font size drop down menu in the Home tab. Question number 30. In Word, which option allows you to add hyperlink? Insert hyperlink. Question number 31. Which of the following is the default file extension for a PowerPoint presentation? Answer is B part .pptx. Question number 32. Which tab in PowerPoint is used to insert slides? Home. Question number 33. What is the shortcut key to start the slideshow in the PowerPoint? F5. 34. What is the default slide layout in the PowerPoint? Title and content. 35. How do you apply a transition between slides in PowerPoint? You use the animation tab. Question number 36. What is the purpose of the slide master in PowerPoint? To change slide backgrounds and fonts for the entire presentation. Question number 37. How can you change the background color of a slide in PowerPoint? We can use the design tab for this. Question number 38. In PowerPoint, how can you add speaker notice? Click on the notice pane at the bottom. Question number 39. Which of the following tools allow you to add animations to objects in PowerPoint? Again, animation pane. Question number 40. How do you add a hyperlink in PowerPoint? Insert hyperlink. Question number 41. What is the default file extension for a Excel workbook? .xlsx. 42. Which of these Excel functions calculates the average of a range of cells? Average. It is a function. 43. What does the sum function do in Excel? Adds up values in the mentioned cells. 44. In Excel, what is a cell reference? The location of a cell. Question number 45. What is the keyboard shortcut to insert a new worksheet in Excel? Ctrl plus Shift plus N. Question number 46. In Excel, which tab is used to insert charts? Insert. Question number 47. What is the maximum number of rows in an Excel worksheet? C part answer. In Excel, what does the merge and center option do? Combine cells and centers the text. Question number 49. How can you sort data in Excel? Use the data tab. Question number 50. What does a dollar sign before a cell reference indicate in Excel? It makes the reference absolute. Question number 51. Which of the following is not a valid Excel function? D part. Question number 52. What does the count if function do in Excel? Count to cell that meet a specified condition. Question number 53. Which of the following option is used to change the text style in Excel? Font size. Question number 54. How do you create a drop down list in Excel? Use the data validation tool. Question number 55. What is the purpose of freeze panes feature in Excel? To lock rows or columns while scrolling. Question number 56. Which Excel feature allows you to find and replace text or numbers? Find and replace, it is same for the word also. Question number 57. In Excel, which of the following can you use to organize and group data? All of the above. Question number 58. What is the default alignment for text in an Excel cell? It is always left. Question number 59. What is the primary purpose of a pivot table in the Excel? To summarize and analyze data. Question number 60. In Excel, which function would you use to find the smallest value in a range of cells? Obviously, we can use the MIN, minimum. Question number 61. What does the concatenate function do in Excel? Joins two or more strings of a text together. Question number 62. Which Excel feature is used to make text bold, italic, or underline? Font formatting. 63. In Excel, what is the shortcut key to open the Find and Replay dialog box? Ctrl plus F. 64 question number. How can you change the color of a cell in Excel? Use the fill color tool. 65 question number. In Excel, which function would you use to return the current date? First one, today. 66 question number. Which of the following is a type of chart in Excel? All of these are the types of charts in the available options in the Excel: bar chart, line chart, and pie chart. Question number 67. How do you apply a border to a cell in Excel? Use the borders button in the Home tab. Question number 68. Which of the following is a correct syntax for an if function in Excel? A part answer. Question number 69. Which option in Excel allows you to apply conditional formatting? Home conditional formatting. Question number 70. What is the keyboard shortcut to save a workbook in Excel? Ctrl plus S. Question number 71. What is the function of the sort feature in Excel? To change the order of the data. Question number 72. In Excel, what does the wrap text option do? It automatically wraps text within a cell. Number 73. Which Excel function is used to count the number of cells containing numbers? Count. Question number 74. What is the keyboard shortcut to copy a selected cell in Excel? Ctrl+C. Question number 75. And our last question for today's lecture. What does the merge cell feature do in Excel? Combines multiple cells into one large cell.